For the last couple of decades, literally billions have been invested in securing the perimeter of corporate networks. More intelligent firewalls, anti-spam antivirus, intrusion prevention, intrusion detection. More and more money has gone into trying to secure the perimeter that houses our most valuable asset outside of our people, that being sensitive corporate information. Yet what today's leading IT security professionals understand is that while that's good hygiene, it's not enough, because quite simply, there's always people inside the perimeter. Most often they're trusted users. Sometimes they're malicious intruders. But even with trusted users, the fact is, people come and people go. As they enter and exit, they create openings and breaches in the network. And more importantly, in today's BYOD, or bring your own device paradigm environment, smartphones, iPhones, iPads, USB keys, USB pens, as they leave, that valuable corporate information travels with them. They take it home, they send it to their web drive, they carry it around with them on iPads, iPhones, smartphones, and tablets. That means that the most valuable asset we have, or corporate information, is traveling outside of the protected perimeter. And that's a problem. According to Richard Clark, former cyber terrorism expert with the White House, every major U.S. corporation has already been hacked by China, for example. That's a threat. What today's leading security practitioners are understanding is that while it's good hygiene to protect the network, it's not enough. And in fact, you have to protect the information itself. That is data-centric information security. What if, for example, you could put a protective bubble around all sensitive corporate information, so that whether it's inside or outside the network, whether it's traveling with an employee on their laptop for business, whether your CEO is taking next year's business plan with him on his iPad as he sits by the pool and watches his kids, or even if a disgruntled employee has sent business plans or product information to a competitor, it's protected. And it cannot be accessed if the users don't have the right credentials. That's the way to protect corporate information in today's advanced persistent threat world. How does this work? It's actually pretty simple. Your organization creates what's known as a multi-level security model. Hypothetically, we'll do a very simple one. Maybe there is the first level of public. Anybody can see this information. It's corporate information, it's product information, it's standard emails. The second level might be internal use only, where you must be an employee of the corporation in order to use that. Customer lists, price lists, HR policies, other procedures. And maybe you have a higher level, which is confidential. Only management and senior management can see this. It's business plans, it's costing information, it's HR data, etc. And for each level, you have an escalating strength of key. For public, no key is needed. For internal use only, you need a certain key. For confidential, you need a much stronger key. That means as you have critical and sensitive corporate information, it can be classified into a certain level, maybe even automatically, dependent upon the context. Does it say confidential, or does it say internal use only, or does it say pending merger and acquisition, or does it say do not share, or does it say upcoming project? You can define that and have these keys automatically applied, so that even if this information gets outside of the network, only people with the appropriate level have the ability to open and use that. Further, maybe you can even control what they can do. View it, print it, copy it, forward it. That is data-centric information protection. That complements years of investment in hardened networks. That is what leading IT security professionals are investing their time, effort, and energy in today. And that is RightsWatch.